English sentences for English conversation. English is my favorite subject. I am going to start. This box is full of books. Can I borrow your umbrella? Please do it quickly. I want to close my account. This is too easy for him. I am glad to see you. The door is open now. Do you know the reason? He is her friend. I can't do anything else. I want to know how to swim. I want to eat something. I lost my watch. He is eating. Will you stay at home? I will come with you. She doesn't understand me. Who is that woman? I saw him just now. They forgot to lock the door. Somebody is playing the piano. He doesn't seem to be an Indian. He broke the world record. I don't like this shirt. He wants to see us again. You can go to the station by bus. I love this picture. She likes orange. This is a little gift for you. He is still young. I am waiting for the bus. The girls began to laugh. Do you go to school by bus? Don't worry about that. Everybody likes him. He is watching TV. My mother cut the cake. I have to comb my hair. I am sorry to hear that. Is he your teacher? I am from India. I nearly made a mistake. She plays the guitar. Are you thirsty? Let's open the window. My hobby is collecting coins. May I borrow your dictionary? There is an orange on the table. Who painted this picture? We live near a big river. Come again tomorrow. Who will look after your dog? This is a book. I am just beginning. He plays football. Shut your mouth. He does not smoke. Wash your face. He did not say a word. She kicked the door. I got married 5 years ago. He is very busy. I often see him. There are 5 pencils. My telephone is out of order. He was patient. He couldn't understand the sentence. I went for a walk in the park. He was just behind me. The boy ran away. This book is not interesting at all. He is a wealthy man. We arrived at the office on time. I will be busy tomorrow. He was married to her sister. He often goes to Mumbai. My house is near the station. He has 2 children. My father was busy. He is afraid of becoming sick. I will introduce her husband to you. Our refrigerator is out of order. He turned down my offer. Can you speak Hindi? He died recently. I'll give you a prescription. I'll come back. Anybody can do that. My father insisted that we should go. He plays soccer. I can't swim. I can't do it. I can't sleep. There is no smoke without fire. New Delhi is the capital of India. It was raining yesterday. Don't make the same mistake again. She can play the piano very well. He is very young. May I help you?